this video, we are looking at how to set up an InstaLOD Grid master server. For this to work, you need to make sure that you have the correct license entitlements. A grid server can be set up in two different ways. The first option is to set up the server through command line. This is really easy to do and only requires a few commands, which I'll break down for you in this video. The second option to start a master server is to use InstaLOD Studio XL in its master application mode. We'll get to that later. Let's start off by setting up a grid server through the command line. With the command line open, we're going to change the directory using cd and navigate it to our InstaLOD pipeline folder. I'm going to start off with InstaLOD CMD followed by the command master. This will notify InstaLOD that I want to connect a master server. Next, I will specify the IP address of the server followed by the desired port. I will be using the standard web port 8080. Finally, we need to add the profiles that should be available to the users. For this example, I will be using the profile presets that are located in the InstaLOD pipeline directory. With that done, we can click enter on our keyboard and start the server. On the first startup of a server, a server.json file is generated and located in the InstaLOD pipeline directory. Inside of this file, we can add user accounts to the server. For this, we need to add the machine key of individual users, or use star to allow access to the account from all machines in the network. Add a username and password, and we're done. To save the server.json file, the server must be turned off first. So now that we've had a look at how to set up a server using the command line, let's look at how to set one up using InstaLOD Studio XL. First, boot InstaLOD Studio XL and open the Preferences window. Change the application mode to Master and click OK. InstaLOD will prompt you to restart the application. Once restarted, we can enter all of the information necessary, including the IP address, port, user accounts, and profiles. We are now ready to connect a processing slave to InstaLOD Grid, which we will have a look at in the next video.